When you touch the home button, you'll have the option to toggle between both sewing and embroidery. So let me show you how you can pick embroidery designs and get a design loaded up and ready to go. So at the main menu, you have your alphabet folder, your built-in designs, anything that you've saved in this machine, and then right here, access to your USB stick. So if you had a USB stick in the side of the machine, those designs would come up and allow you to access them. So for the things that are built into the machine, touch the sewing machine. We'll go ahead and touch the butterfly, and you see folders. So in each of these folders, there's different groups of designs. And boy, they look so much prettier stitched out, but I'm gonna just go ahead and pick one, and it'll come up on the screen. Now the first thing I notice is that it comes up in a recommended hoop size, and it says medium over here. So if I am planning on, and that's truly what you want to do, you want to use the hoop size closest to the design size. You use less stabilizer, the design is more supported. Now if you just happen to be using like your larger one, you will need to pick that larger one, and then you'll notice you'll have more room to move it or adjust it, turn it, enlarge it as desired. So once you get a design loaded up, you can touch the needle and little 3 dots here. That's a needle and thread. That's the icon that says let's go embroider that. It double checks that my hoop is correctly positioned and gets me ready for the first color. So with this one, as you can see, it's kind of got a little light mint green showing, and it shows exactly where the embroidery is going to take place. I love that fact about the Berninas. It's showing me the color 2 that's going to stitch in that area, color 3, it's part of the bow, there's 4, there's kind of the accent color, and then 5 looks like the detail, and that's the last color because my little arrow's all grayed out. So at any given time, I could stitch any one of these colors, but when I'm done, I can go back out and touch the pencil. That's your way you can get back one screen. You kind of have an editing screen, and then you have an embroidery screen. So depending on which one you're on, will give you different icons around it. So when you're done here, you can come all the way back out to the folder. At this point, you could save it. So if you've made changes, you could save it. You could trash can it, or just go ahead and leave it all together and come back out and pick a different design.